Greetings everyone. I'm here with another video. Work on this room here. Obviously it's going to like rebuild it and such. Like I've done these rebuild jobs before, like not on the solo level but mostly with the parents. So let's start off over here. So you guys see the paneling here. Like it's going to need replaced. All this. As far out I can zoom with it. Yeah, I guess I can. Okay, so let's start with the issue here. So the reason I'm doing this instead of leaving it alone, it's like, well, this, that means nothing there, but I want that pulled up. The rug's gonna be replaced with something else. This is the major issue here. Like it's rotting out from inside there, so I definitely have to get on the outside of these windows here and caulk all around it on the brand new caulk and such. And yeah, a little bit moldy in these borders here. Instead of like replacing just one, might just do it all. Put insulation there probably, because this is a back porch. But it's also enclosed with the back porch. Also, it's gonna work on the ceiling here as well. Some spots, like mostly over here. So this, I don't know, probably means nothing to you guys or anything. Looks like an issue, but anyway. The only form of light is whatever comes off these outlets. That is it. There is no other light source unless I do something like this. And it's like, nah, let's put a light switch like on this wall here, connected through this wire. Just get that done over so I can flip it on and off. Have like a light here in the middle. Replace the whole ceiling with like wood. Let's get to this project here. Step 1. Move the cat. Step 2, try to figure out where the electrical is coming into this room here. Shut that off, and so the outlets are safe. There's so far 3 outlets, 1 outside on the other side of this wall. So check this out. So the wall here, the screw goes to an awning right above the door. That's not really secured. Actually, it wouldn't surprise me if that like pulls right out from a harsh windstorm, or even if it just caves in. All right, getting some progress with this. And as we see here behind this, look at that. Original siding on the back. It's made of wood. Let's go over here. If I got into this, not sure how deep that goes. Didn't notice over here, wood's rotted. So, all right, so I got to the wire here that goes outside. So here it is. What it is that it starts down there inside the ground, below the floor I mean, and it runs over here to an extra outlet. So this outlet's off of the same one on the outside, but it's questionable. Where does this wiring go? Right here. Does it combine with this here underneath the ground or whatever? Alright, so the ceiling is completed. I end up putting these things in the boxes here. Like I got the boxes from around the corner and such. It's like, yeah, why not? Stick them inside the trash cans and get ready for it on the trash day in case I have to put more bags or whatever inside a trash can. I'll just throw the box right on top when time comes. Anyways, after looking at this further, apparently there is some leaks. So we probably zoom in over here. If you look on the outside, there's some damage on the aluminum. Staying focus, cool. So you barely see the leaks, but it's barely coming in. Up there. Boards adjacent to it. As far as repairs, we got these here. Like, just not too bad. Maybe it could be that, I don't know. This is a huge problem right here. Is the reason I started. Whoop. So I started this here. It's like, yeah. You know, just work in progress of making this house look good. Make good. Well, the porch. Make the porch, you know, look good. As far as like making the ceiling here up, you know, high as I can, maybe that's not going to happen at all, but I'll try do something here with this. Maybe raise it a little bit or just leave it just the way it is and just, you know, work off that. But still have to like run wires for the ceiling lights. Raining outside, which is good. It's like a day later after everything, actually more like 2 days later at the last recent recording. So we decided to do this test while it's raining here to try to figure out where the leak is coming in from that caused all this. Here it is over here. And I barely can see that. It's a wet in a spot. Then the rain naturally formed. There we are. Seals. Obviously. Seals that needs caulked up. We just keep up on that so we wouldn't have this issue. So it is that the water's collecting on top of the window here from the awning, just dropping on top of it, along the side of it. So of course it's going to make it like collect water and then drip down within the seals here, like we see. I'm also looking at other spots here, like where could the leaks be besides this. Not sure what this is here. There's other spots. Here's another one right here. This one's collecting water as well, dripping right down through the seals. Like all the seals on this house, not just in this one room here that we're in and such, it's also like the rest of the house. Like the seals are bad all around the windows, so this is a seriously needs addressed. Also, while I was at work here, I was looking at the possibility of putting in the light right around here, because, well, I can put it over there, over here, one of the lights. Or I can put it on like both sides. While the walls are out right now, do your electrical while you can. Add the lights fixtures to the outside, because there is no lights outside of the house here to the garage at all. So just do it now. Put something up. Just gotta tie into these lines here and make light switches and such. Sitting there trying to use up all these drywall screws here because I had too many of them for free as a project. And I'm picking up a bunch of these here, like a whole bucket of these, $70. These ones just a little bit longer. These will do the job just fine. Now don't have to worry about the skipping in this with the start piece in place. The caulking on this is so bad, it's just falling apart as you touch it. It took me a couple days to wait until the rain stopped to continue working on this, but this needs done like at a certain temperature, above 50 degrees at least, and when it's dry out, obviously. Secret tip here to putting the caulk down is to jab it into the corners. So you can jab it in the corners, that way you don't have to touch it with your fingers at all, and you push the puddle while you square in with it. I've seen so many people with the corner piece or using the thumbs afterwards. Like no, you shove it in there with just that. You don't have to do a mess with your fingers.